ZANU-PF has announced the death of Brigadier General Mutanda, a veteran of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle and a key figure in ensuring the safe return of the late President Robert Mugabe from exile following the Lancaster House negotiations. Sanabira mashoko kuda panguva ino chinokunzi Brigadier General Mutanda dies in subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tona this statement no issue panapa zima inoenderera mberi nyora ichiti Brigadier General Mutanda, whose chimurenga name was Comrade Kamiripiri, passed away in the United Kingdom on 22 May 2024. He was part of the elite security team that facilitated and safeguarded Mugabe's return from Mozambique in early 1980, a critical moment in Zimbabwe's transition to independence after the signing of the Lancaster House Conference. The Lancaster House Conference, held in London between September and December 1979, brought together representatives of the British government, the Rhodesian regime led by Ian Smith and Bishop Abel Muzorewa, and the liberation movement ZANU under Robert Mugabe and ZAPU under Joshua Nkomo, mediated by British Foreign Secretary Lord Carrington. The talks led to a negotiated ceasefire, democratic elections, and ultimately the birth of independent Zimbabwe on 18 April 1980. Fearing possible threats to Mugabe's life upon his return to then Rhodesia, trusted cadres of the liberation struggle were tasked with his security. Brigadier General Mutanda was among those deployed to coordinate Mugabe's safe entry to the country, an assignment that earned him deep admiration within the liberation ranks. After independence, Brigadier General Mutanda served under President Kenneth Banana, Zimbabwe's first ceremonial president, and continued to play pivotal roles in building the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. The recognition of his enduring contributions to the liberation struggle and post-independence state building, the ZANU-PF UK district requested national honors on 26 June 2024. He was subsequently conferred with the national hero status, the highest honor granted to individuals who have made outstanding contributions to Zimbabwe's sovereignty and freedom. Toma zvakaripo panguva ino. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Munango mesection medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.